Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share 5 easy upgrades that you can do in your home that will instantly make it feel more comfortable and luxurious and also raise the value of your home if you ever decide to sell. For the first easy upgrade, let's head into the bathroom. The bathroom is one room that buyers look at and they look at the age of the fixtures and how updated it is. So this is a great room to update. Now what I have here are these beauties. They look like they're straight out of a hotel. They're from a hotel. They're very high-end, but they are easy to install. You just unscrew the old towel bar and the towel ring and the toilet paper holder and you screw these babies in. This is such an easy project, and it completely changes the look of your bathroom. And because they're polished nickel, they reflect the light, so it makes your bathroom feel so much more spacious and bright. And guess what? They're only $18 for the set. You can find the exact set in the description box below. The next easy upgrade that you can do to instantly make your home feel more luxurious is adding some houseplants. Houseplants make a space feel more lived in and they add color and texture. If you don't have a green thumb, don't worry. I have a solution for you. Head to your local nursery or your local big box store and grab some fox plants. Fox plants have come a really long way, and you would never be able to tell that these are not real plants. They look real, they feel real, and the best part is, you can keep them forever. Here's a pro tip for you when it comes to staging with plants. Don't put the plant on the floor. Raise it up to eye level, or above eye level if possible, because people see it at eye level, and they think it is much smaller than what it actually is. So use a plant stand to raise up your plants. Number 3 is a fan favorite. It's a quick and easy upgrade, and all you need is a screwdriver to complete this project. And that is to change out your old boring light switch covers and your outlet covers to these beautiful new ones. These are oil-rubbed bronze, and they look so expensive. They look like they're from an interior store, and they come in many different finishes to match your home's decor. Another great thing about these covers is that they're a standard size, so if you're renting, you can still do this project and take them with you when you move. They're only $14 for 4 of them, and again, I've linked them in the description box below. Easy upgrade number 4 is to change out your window treatments. Now, I'm talking specifically about blinds. If you have blinds that are 2 inches or less, try to upgrade to something a little bit more modern. And I'm talking about Foxwood blinds. Foxwood blinds look like real wood, but they're not real wood, so they're more affordable. They're easier to maintain, and they look more modern. And to measure for your blinds, all you do is measure the width of the window and subtract a ½ inch. For example, if your window was 36 inches wide, you would buy a blind that was 35½ inches wide. You can find the exact blinds that I have in my home in the description box below, and they come in a variety of stains and finishes. Now, if you're handy, you can install these yourself, and if you're not, you can hire someone to install them for you. And trust me, this is one project that will raise the value of your home if you ever decide to sell. Last, but certainly not least, is to add some molding to your walls. Molding is an easy DIY project. It looks like you hired a professional, and it adds architectural detail to your walls. Now, there's a couple different ways that you can do this. You can buy a flexible molding that's made out of some sort of resin. It's called PVC molding. Or you can buy your molding and you can hire a professional to cut it to the right size. So if you're handy and you have the tools needed, you can definitely do this as a DIY project. But if you're not handy and you don't have the tools, take it to a professional and have them cut it for you. Then all you need to do is put a nail in and hammer it in, and then screw it in, and then put some caulk around it and let it dry. And again, if you're not handy, you can hire someone to do this for you. And the beauty of painting your walls a dark color and then adding white molding is that it gives your walls the illusion of having more dimension. It looks like there's more space where there really isn't, so it makes your rooms feel larger. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I have tons of videos that I know you will enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.